Out of the box, the MA151H kit feels complete and ready for immediate installation. Depending on the package version, you receive the MSH450 hub and one or more MA151 smoke detectors, along with mounting screws, adhesive pads for flexible placement, a power adapter, power cable, and even an Ethernet cable for stable hub connectivity. Meross clearly positions this as a full safety kit rather than a single accessory. The setup requirements are straightforward. A 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, a smartphone running iOS or Android, and the Meross app to bring everything together. The Meross MA151H Smart Smoke Alarm is an excellent example of how essential safety devices should evolve in the smart home era. It delivers strong hardware reliability, ultra-fast detection, reduced false alarms, and a powerful linked siren system that goes far beyond traditional standalone smoke detectors. The addition of remote monitoring, multi-user alerts, and long-term record storage makes it especially appealing for families, larger homes, and anyone who wants constant awareness of what is happening inside their living space. With its slim, modern design, certified safety standards, and hub-based ecosystem that can expand into broader home security, the MA151H is not just a smoke alarm. It is a connected safety infrastructure for the next decade of home protection. Physically, the MA151 smoke detector is impressively slim at only 3.3 centimeters thick, giving it a modern, low-profile look on the ceiling. The housing is made from fire-retardant, UV-resistant, and anti-yellowing materials, ensuring it will remain durable and visually clean over years of operation. Meross also includes practical engineering details that directly improve reliability. A fine insect-proof mesh prevents contamination, while the dual optical sensor design allows the detector to distinguish real smoke patterns more accurately, reducing false alarms caused by steam or everyday household humidity. With certifications including SGS, DBI, and EN14604 compliance, the MA151H positions itself as a serious safety device rather than just another smart gadget. The pairing process is one of the strongest aspects of this kit. The hub connects to your network first, using a simple button-based pairing and mute control. Once online, the smoke alarms link to the hub through a dedicated 433 MHz connection, which is an important design choice. This separate wireless channel ensures that alarms remain stable and responsive without relying entirely on Wi-Fi traffic. Within minutes, the detector appears in the Meross app, ready to deliver notifications for smoke detection, low battery warnings, tamper alerts, and hazard resolution updates. This is where the MA151H feels much more advanced than traditional alarms. It is not only about sounding an alert, but about keeping the homeowner continuously informed